pop chow and saltfish, or baby back choy and saltfish if you're nice. I love me some saltfish. You can pretty much cook saltfish any Jamaican style and gimme. I also love me some greens. I cannot really think of any greens that I don't love. However, I'ma choose baby back choy over regular pop chow anytime. And the good thing about that, I always find good fresh baby back choy in my Asian market. And today was no different. When I make pop chow and saltfish, I like to do all the prep work before I start. So while my saltfish are boiled, I cut up my aromatics, which are onions, shallots. You don't have to use the onion and the shallots. You can use either or. I just chose to do that. Scallion, tomato. And you can pretty much put anything that you want in there. Some people put some bell pepper, thyme, or anything like that. I didn't put any of that. I washed down my baby back choy and cut it up. I like to cut the stalk separate from the leaves. I also like to wash it and cut it and then wash the stalk again. Once I'm done with all of that, pot on the stove, I use some of our very own very necessary island spiced oil. I was saying the reason I didn't add any pepper is because I used the island spiced oil. So if you have the island spiced oil, you don't need to add scotch bonnet pepper, because trust me, the island spiced oil is really hot. And if you don't have the island spiced oil, click the orange basket above my username to get it. Now I added all my aromatics to a pot and I just stir fry them. Now you can stir fry them as crunchy as you want or as soft as you want. And then I added my boiled, washed, clean and broken down saltfish. I stir that in to combine everything. And let me tell you from now, me love cooked down saltfish just like this without the back choy. Now hear me out. Now add no red crushed pepper. Me no know what me do that for. Something must be wrong with me, because me already use the island spiced oil. And I tell you, this was really a hot. Of course me eat it because me really used to spice, but enough people won't eat this because it was really extremely hot. I really don't understand why me add the red pepper to it. Anyways, me put enough black pepper on my saltfish, stir that in, and then me added the stalk of the back choy or the pop chow. Stir that in thoroughly again. Stir fry that for another 30 seconds to 45 seconds, depending on how you like your pop chow. I definitely don't like it soft and saggy. I added some garlic powder because I never add garlic. Keep stirring. Me telling you, stirring important when you're cooking, because we are trying to merge all the flavors. Now once the pop chow stock cooked the way you like it, then you can go in with the leafy part and just give this a few bad stir, just to mix in everything, to combine everything, to spread all the flavors, to merge all the flavors. Once me getting all stirred in properly, I eat that, me done. Again, you're gonna make your pop chow cook the way you like it. So if you like it softer, cook it softer. I like mine crunchy, and that's how me cook it. And you can see, nice and crunchy, and this smells so heavenly, but it tasted so flipping good as usual. It's not like me don't know it tastes because me eat it enough times. Me serve this up with some ground provision, with some boiled banana dumpling, boiled banana and boiled yam, and oh my god, me fully enjoy this.